Okay, just brought home a winter car. 91 Buick Park Avenue. 3800 Series 1 engine. Really good engines. These go forever. I know it has the 4T60E transmission. Those are also pretty good if you take care of them. It needs a little bit of work, but for a cheap little budget beater, can't beat it. Things it needs. It needs 1, battery. 2, it needs a fuel pump. 3, it needs new tires, but it came with an extra set of rims, and those rims, it came with 4 hubcaps, but one's too small. I'm just soaking everything with penetrating oil underneath there before I drop the fuel tank to swap the pump. I know it has a brake leak somewhere because it was low on fluid. It sat for 8 years though. So I got a big thing of brake fluid to figure out where the leaks are. I got some oil. I'm gonna run the Rizlone through there for the first change or two. Oil filter, fuel pump, fuel, that sock that sits in the tank, air filter. All the lights work except for this lower one, but that's easy to replace. Oh, it also needs the hood struts. Not a big deal. The fuel door, it was shutting and opening when I had a battery in here with the buttons, so we'll see if I can get that mechanism to work. If not, I'll have to order it, probably off Rock Auto. Okay, I guess I'll have to grease that hinge up. 241,000 kilometers. That's nothing on a 3.8 liter 3800. It had really good oil pressure when we were cranking it up, trying to get it to start before we figured out it was a fuel pump. It shot all the way up, so that's good. I really like the interior. I think it's pretty unique. And none of the seats are ripped. Like, none of the trim inside is missing. The seats aren't ripped. The floor isn't actually really stained. It's pretty nice. I don't know what this system does yet, but we'll figure that out. That's cool. It is missing one of the horn buttons, but that doesn't bug me at all. Look at all this stuff. Panel lights, Twilight Sentinel. Don't know what that means. I don't know. We'll figure that out. The headlight button is here. Your high beams are this, of course, but your lights are this. Your park lights are down here. Those are your other ones. Those all work when we did have a battery in here. That works. There's lights up here that light up on this upper section here, and they were working. That's how the passenger controls climate control there. And this is something cool. Both the passengers have their own cigarette lighter and ashtray. I'm gonna order the cigarette lighters just for the look of it, so it has the right parts in it, even though I don't smoke. But I think that's kind of funny that it all had that. No cup holders though. It could have cup holders. It's the only thing I'd say it needs inside. But what a nice interior. I like the solid sound those doors make. I don't have the key on me, or I'd open the hood. Keys in the house. But it's a nice big hood in there. Lots of room for like human trafficking or moving bodies. It's got one dent here. I'm going to get a piece of wood and a mallet and hit it from the inside, pop this out. Park Avenue. Here's the antenna. I don't know if this works or not. I didn't look at it when I had the radio on, but that's antenna. I ran out of money at the car wash and brought it home on the trailer to clean all this, the rest of this off. So I'm gonna have to get that all cleaned up. It's got a few spots where the paint fell off, but I can sand that down and color match, repair it. I think I might paint these rims black when I get tires on here soon. The radiator is full, and that doesn't look bad or contaminated. Trans fluid looked good when I pulled that up earlier. There's still coolant in here. So these have some coolant leak issues, so I am going to upgrade the 2 elbows that can leak on here. That's not a big deal. I'll do that when I do the coolant flush. It's a cheap Dorman part. I'll do spark plugs and plug wires, of course. The oil just looks like normal used oil, not milky. Definitely just old. See, that's how the I might get a new one of these master cylinders. I might get a new one of these. That's looking a little bit rough. And this is empty and dirty. I can see it's dirty. But we'll see. I should spray all this with penetrating oil right now, actually. I want to make some cool things happen for the channel with this car. So I think the next video will be definitely after it's running and stopping.